Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Signal notifications. If you're getting flooded with notifications on Signal, let's turn them off using settings only, step by step. So first open Signal app, next tap your profile icon in the top left corner, and tap on settings. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. Here you'll see different options you can control. To fully stop alerts, turn off message notifications. Click on message sound and set it to none. Click on the check mark to save it. Turn off play while app is open. You can also disable things like notification content, vibration, in-app alerts if you want less distraction instead of total silence. This method is perfect if you still want to use Signal but without constant interruptions. Now, if you want to completely block Signal notifications, you can use your phone system settings. So close Signal app, open your settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. Scroll down and look for Signal app, tap on it. Now toggle off allow notifications. Once this is off, Signal won't send any alerts at all. No banners, no sounds, nothing. On Android, you can just open settings, then tap on apps or apps and notifications, then find and select Signal, then just tap notifications and turn off all notifications. So this does the same thing, completely silence the app. Now, if you're not ready to fully turn everything off, you can customize notifications instead, like disabling sound but keeping banners so you can still see messages without getting disturbed. And that's it, two simple settings methods to control or completely turn off Signal notifications. Quick, easy, and no extra steps needed. Thank you for watching.